I'm going to talk about B12 today. If you've ever wondered what it's like to get a B12 shot, then let me tell you about it. So B12 is a vitamin that can be used to help support our red blood cells and our DNA repair. It's usually used to support energy in the body. That's what most people know it for. Often you can find vitamin B12 supplements in your local health food store, but then there's also other ways that you can use it, one being intravenous therapy and the other being intramuscular therapy, and that's the one I want to focus on today. Intramuscular, or just IM shots, which is what we tend to call it, is basically a B12 injection that would go directly into the muscle. And when we get B12 as an intramuscular IM injection, then we have multiple levels of benefit. One being the needle acting as a trigger point, like you would get with acupuncture. It's going directly into the muscles to help with releasing any tension. Two is that it helps with lubricating the muscle and making sure that there's proper hydration in that area to help with relaxation, which can also happen with saline, but we're using B12. And B12, having those effects in terms of DNA repair and helping with our red blood cells, makes sure that the muscle gets the energy and support it needs to heal properly. So 3 layers of benefits when you're getting an IM B12 injection. So if you're doing it through an IV, you're going directly into your bloodstream to get those generalized effects of B12 supporting your red blood cells. But intramuscularly, same thing, you can get those energy benefits, and same thing if you're taking it orally, but the bonus if you're doing it intramuscularly is that I can put it directly into any sort of muscle tissue that has any sort of tightness or tension to help with releasing that. Best times to be able to get a B12 injection would be if you're suffering from either chronic tension, headaches, muscular pains, or just deep knots that are so difficult to get with your regular manual therapies. Then getting a B12 shot can help with boosting it up and making those effects last so much longer.